For most people, trading is a terrible career, and I truly mean that. I know that sounds strange coming from someone who's made 8 figures per year trading, but hear me out, because I've lived every part of this job, the good, the bad, and the brutal. And if you're thinking about becoming a trader, here are a few things you deserve to know. I'm Lance Brightstein, ex-Trillium top trader, mentor to 7 and 8 figure P&L per year traders, and Wired's stock trading expert. First of all, let's talk numbers. Most traders fail, full stop. Some studies show as many as 95% of traders end up losing, even amongst those who break even. Very few outperform after you factor in fees, slippage, and the opportunity cost of all the time they spent chasing this game. The market is a zero-sum game after costs. For every winner, there's a loser. And the people you're up against? Institutions with edge, infrastructure, inside flow, and decades of refinement. You think you're going to outclick Citadel on your laptop with delayed quotes and a few YouTube videos under your belt? Good luck. And even if you're talented, even if you have potential, survivorship bias will destroy your expectations. You hear about the traders who made it, the ones posting Lambo pics in million-dollar days. You don't hear from the graveyard of people who gave it everything and still quietly walked away. I've seen some of the smartest, hardest working people I know disappear from the game without a sound. And it's not just that you might not make any money. You can lose all of it. One bad trade, one lapse in discipline, one "I'm just gonna hold this a little longer," and poof. Everything you worked for is gone. Most jobs don't carry the risk of financial ruin every single day. This one does. And that's assuming you even make it to the point of risking serious size, because the learning curve is brutal. It took me 2 full years just to become consistently profitable. Not to get rich, just to stop sucking. And most people stay novices for years. You thought golf had a long learning curve? Try trading. At least golf doesn't drain your bank account every time you swing wrong. Now, let's say you survive. You stick it out. You start to figure it out. Great. Now you're stuck glued to the screens all day, watching prices, staring at charts, waiting for news, sitting sedentary, eyes fried, nervous system jacked. It's physically and mentally unhealthy. There's a reason why you don't see 70-year-old day traders. And even when you're good, and I mean elite level good, the job never gets easy. I still have drawdowns in a normal year. I mean, I once lost $2 million in 60 minutes. Seriously. I tell you all about it in this video, so watch it after this one. You constantly battle regret. You dwell on the trades you butchered, the ones you missed, the ones you missized. Every single day could have been a killer day if you had just done XYZ differently. And that loop, that what if loop, plays in your head forever. And worst of all, say goodbye to peace of mind. I check the markets before bed, at the gym, at dinner. First thing when I wake up, I'm always watching, always plugged in, always managing risk. You're never truly off. You always wonder if a headline's gonna drop, if your position is imploding, if some market you're exposed to is about to crater. That is a reality. So yeah, trading might look sexy on the surface. It might offer freedom, leverage, and unlimited upside. But behind the curtain is a lifestyle filled with stress, loneliness, obsessive monitoring, constant self-doubt, and the very real possibility that you'll walk away with nothing. And if you still want to pursue this craft after hearing all that, well, you might just be crazy enough to make it. And you're the type of person I like. In fact, my mission is to help more traders like you avoid the trader graveyard and actually make it and build a good life where you never have to worry about money ever again. And that's why I created a course sharing what I've learned. And for those of you who want to accelerate your career, consider joining it, where I teach you everything I know that got me to over $100 million in profit. No pressure, because I'll keep on putting out free videos here on YouTube, and make sure to subscribe for my upcoming videos to make you a better trader. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.